Have you ever shaken a magic 8 ball and wondered how it always seems to give you a different answer? Today we're going to unlock the mystery behind this fascinating toy that has been giving people answers to their questions for over 70 years. Get ready to discover the clever science that makes this simple black ball so mysteriously fun. The magic 8 ball looks like just a regular black ball from the outside, but there's actually something very special hiding inside. When you flip it over and look through the little clear window, you can see mysterious answers floating up to greet you. The black color isn't just for looks, it helps hide all the inner workings that make the magic happen. This simple design has fooled people into thinking there's real magic at work, but the truth is even cooler than magic. Inside every magic 8 ball is a hollow space filled with dark blue liquid, kind of like a tiny swimming pool. Floating around in this liquid is a special 20-sided shape called an icosahedron, which is basically a die with 20 flat surfaces instead of 6. Each of those 20 surfaces has a different answer written on it, like yes, definitely, or ask again later. The blue liquid is thick and moves slowly, which is the key to how everything works together. When you shake the magic 8 ball really hard, something amazing happens inside that you can't see. The thick blue liquid starts swirling around like a tiny tornado, and the 20-sided die gets tossed and tumbled in all directions. Because the liquid is thick and moves slowly, the die bounces around randomly without any pattern. This random tumbling is what makes it impossible to predict which answer will float up to the window next time. The creators of the magic 8 ball were very clever about how they chose the 20 different answers. They made sure there were 10 positive answers like it is certain and you may rely on it to give people hope most of the time. Then they added 5 negative answers like don't count on it and my reply is no to keep things realistic. Finally, they included 5 uncertain answers like reply hazy, try again and cannot predict now to add mystery and make people want to shake it again. Every time you shake a magic 8 ball, you're creating a completely unique situation inside. You might shake it harder or softer, hold it at a different angle, or move it in a different direction than last time. All of these tiny changes affect how the liquid swirls and how the die tumbles around inside. Because there are so many variables that change each time, it's almost impossible to get the same answer twice in a row, even if you're asking the exact same question. The real science behind the magic 8 ball involves some pretty cool physics concepts that make it work perfectly every time. The 20-sided die is designed to be less dense than the blue liquid, which means it naturally wants to float up to the top. When the die reaches the window, surface tension in the liquid helps hold it in place so you can read the answer clearly. The thick liquid also slows down the die's movement, giving you time to see the answer before it might drift away. The reason magic 8 balls have been working the same way for decades is because they use simple, reliable physics that never changes. Gravity always pulls things down, liquids always behave the same way, and the die always floats because of its density. The design is so simple that there are very few things that can go wrong or break. This reliability is what makes the magic 8 ball feel magical. It consistently gives you answers even though the process inside is completely random and scientific. What's your favorite magic 8 ball answer that you've ever received, and what question did you ask? Drop your answer in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you enjoyed learning about how this classic toy